Chapter 12. Coding with Python Turtle. Topics covered. Starting Python. Create a new file in Python. Programming with Turtle. Filling in an image. Cloning of a turtle. Starting Python. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll the mouse to get Python 3.9 option and click on Idle, Python 3.9, to open Python Idle. This is the Python shell. Create a new file in Python. In the Python shell, click on the File menu and select New File to create a file in Python. Programming with Turtle. You need to import the Python library to access all its functions and methods in your program. Import turtle as T. The above statement would import the turtle library and would give it the name T so that with the help of T you can access all its functions. Moving the turtle. The first thing that you would learn is how to make the turtle move in a specific direction. There are 4 directions that a turtle can move in: forward, backward, left, right. The 4 quadrants help to understand how the turtle would move. Let us assume that the turtle is at 0, 0. If the command t.forward 100 or t.ft 100 is written, the turtle would move forward by 100 units in the y direction on x-axis. T.backward 100 or t.bk 100 is written, the turtle would move forward by 100 units in the y direction on x-axis. T. Left 90 or t.lt 90 would turn turtle upwards by 90 degree towards the y-axis. T. Right 90 or t.rt 90 would turn the turtle downwards by 90 degree towards the y-axis. Draw a square. Import turtle as T. Filling in an image. Coloring any image usually makes it look better. The Python Turtle library gives the option to add color to the drawings with the help of following commands. T.color. This command helps to change the background color. T.fillColor. This command helps to fill the specified color in the drawing. T.penColor. This command changes the edge color of the drawing. Color can be any color like red, yellow, green, blue, cyan, black, etc. TBEGINFILL and TENDFILL. When you use T. Begin fill, you tell your program that you are going to draw a closed shape which will need to be filled in. Then, you use TENDFILL to indicate that you have done creating your shape and it can now be filled in. Changing the speed of the drawing. The speed of the turtle can be changed. Generally, it moves at a moderate speed on the screen, but we can increase and decrease its speed. The turtle speed can vary integer values in the range 0.10. No argument is passed in the speed function. It returns the current speed. For example, t.speed, normal, t.speed, 10, t.speed, 1. Cybutted bits. If speed is assigned to 0 means no animation will take place. 0. Fastest. 10. Fast. 6. Normal. 3. Slow. 1. Slowest. Changing the pen size. We can increase or decrease the turtle size according to the requirement. T.pen size n. N can be any numeric number. Drawing a circle. You can draw a circle or any radius with the help of following command, T.circle, radius. Drawing a customized circle. Let us draw a circle with the following specifications. The pen color should be black. The fill color should be green. The pen size should be 15. The pen speed should 6. The background color should be red. Program. Change the pen direction. Many times, we want the turtle to move from one place to other on the screen without making a line. To accomplish this, we can use the pinu method. The pen down function helps to Start drawing again. Drawing parallel lines. Clearing screen. Sometimes, we need a clear screen to draw more designs. We can do it using the following function. T.clear. This function only removes the existing designs or shapes but do not make any changes in variable. The turtle will remain in the same position. Resetting the environment. We can also reset the current working using the reset function. It restores the turtle setting and clears the screen. We can use the following function. T.reset. All tasks will be removed and the turtle sets back to its home position. The default settings of turtle, such as color, size and shape and other features will be restored. Leaving a stamp. Turtle can also leave its stamp on the screen. The stamp is nothing but an imprint of the turtle. T.stamp command helps to see the turtle head when it moves in any direction. Let's understand with the help of following example. Cloning of a turtle. In many situations we need multiple turtle to design a unique shape. We can create a clone of the current working turtle into the environment and then we can move both turtle on the screen. Let's understand with the help of the following example. Cyber tidbits. T.color and T.pen color work in the similar manner.